happy today. It's not the same jean. We got the piercing.
Welcome back to our vlog.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Akshita Pagar.
Yeah.
And today is a Sunday. It's the sunniest day of the week and it's around 40 degrees Celsius outside. So let's go get a piercing. It's basically I don't have anything to do today and I was just feeling that I should get my piercing done. I already have 7 piercings. Actually, you can see I have 5 piercings because 2 of them, the hole just disappeared because of the infection. But 1, 2, 3. This was supposed to be my 4th. 5. This was supposed to be the 6th, 7th. So we're gonna redo 1 piercing and I'm gonna see what other piercings I can get because I really want another one. But I also know that the infection can spread a lot and I've not been cured yet. So we'll probably just get 1 piercing. So let's go get a new piercing. By the way, this is my outfit for today. Very casual, very chic. I was gonna wear a skirt, white skirt underneath and like bells and make it more boho, more spring. But I did not do that because I'm thinking of going to go-karting right after this. I still need to accessorize, so probably I'll do a very cool belt. For bag though, I'm gonna take this one to match the red from the Hogwarts. Yes, it says Hedwig Hogwarts. Amazing. So let's accessorize and do a little bit of makeup because I do look dead right now. For necklace, I was thinking I'll go with something very low-key. I'm in a mood today, if you can't already tell. I'm thinking about doing like a chain. My grandmom gifted me something. She's so sweet. She came to Vadodara for some time and we went to an exhibition and she got me this. So cute. I'm gonna wear it today. I don't understand why this was 400 rupees. What do you think? Every time I wear like a round neck, I want something to create a V shape right over here. Let's talk about jewelry. Jewelry, in my opinion, should be very personalized. If it's not, then maybe you're literally getting swooped in trends, and that's not helpful. I think trends to a limit is very cute. They can help you find your personal style, but at the end of the day, you need your personal style. If you don't have like a unique perspective to your own style, it's sad. What will people know you for? Will they know you for a person who keeps repeating trends? Or will they know you for a person who has its own trend? I really don't want to do anything for the skin. I really want to keep it more clean. So I was thinking we'll go with some mascara and blush. A little bit of blush. I need to find a good tutorial where they tell you how to curl your eyelashes because I've been doing this for so long and I still can't get it right. Using a highlighter as a blush is an elite move. I used a different moisturizer today on my face because people were literally trolling me using a Nivea body moisturizer on my face. Look what it has done for my skin. It has done wonders for my skin. This is what the makeup looks like. I'm so happy about it. Let me show you the outfit. Look who's here.
Look who's here, your favorite one and only Arjun Pagar. Welcome back to Arjun Pagar vlog. So we are going to go-kart. So let's get ready. West side, Zara.
That's what the jewelry looks like. Very simple and nice. The makeup, very simple and nice. Bag also very simple and nice. Phone. These are the footwear that we are going. I know they are silver, but deal with it. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Hi guys. The first destination is PNG. That's where I get my earrings like pierced usually, but usually they do get infected. So I'm very like looking out for different places. I've just kept a story on Instagram. Wait, where's my phone? Let me show you guys what the story looks like. It's kind of dope. Here, just kept a story saying, do you guys know any place in Vadodara where I can get piercings? And the most answers are for this one place called as Temple Tattoo. I looked it up. There are 2 locations. One is in city and one is in Akota. And everyone's like, no, you have to go to the city one. And I don't think so. At this time, Arjun's up for going to city. He's not. I knew it. So we're actually going to PNG. We are going to return the earrings that I had last time. And after that, maybe probably go to Gandhevikas and do it. people were watching, they were like, what the fuck is happening? But that's totally cool. Yeah,
Who cares?
yeah, who cares? But anyways, that's what the plan is. The earrings that I wanted to return, I left them at home
As usual.
as usual.
Keep
So
it
we are
with the
going
main
back.
thing.
Yeah, I always forget the important things, but that's okay. Found them. Okay, got them. Let's go. I'm looking like a 90s rock and pop star. It's my first time going with Arjun and getting a piercing. I've never done that. I've always, yeah. I always go with my mom because she's like, no, come with me and all that because she's really conscious. But now I've gotten done more than 10 times, so I think I'm very confident about it. No, it doesn't pain me that much. Actual test is the next morning when you wake up or when you're sleeping this night because it'll be very painful. And the next morning is also going to be very painful. Like you'll wake up with a sore ear. Like it's not that good. Yeah. But no, take it to PNG. We have to return our earring. Then I'm going to be like calculating how much the gold cost and everything. Always do it in gold or silver. Do not do it steel and stuff like that. Do not do the gunshot. The gunshot will make your hole like very big, not that great. So always do it with stirring a tar. That's what they call it. And it's so much amazing. The hole is... Here's curators and here's PNG. There's no parking. That's gonna be tough. Deluxe?
Hey.
Take it.
Yes. Are you in pain?
Take it. We got the piercing. Oh my god, how cool it looks. We got it at PNG because apparently all the jewelers were full today. So my last hope was PNG. Plus I already had a earring from them. So it was very affordable. I did get water also. It matter. Wait. Also, something just happened. We were not able to get into this car because the battery of the key was gone. I love the old cars where you actually have a physical key that you can like plug and be like, let's go. But this one was quite a challenge, and then we went on YouTube and did our entire thing, very gently of us, and it helped. It kind of did. So now me and Arjun, we're gonna go and buy some clothes for him. Yoo-hoo! Oh, yeah, you should like him. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Baby, can I be your favorite? Kind of hungry. Let's go eat.
तुला काय खायचं?
अरे इकडे स्नूकर बार आहे, यू नो CNC.
CNC मी फार टाइम गेलो.
जायचंय स्नूकर खेळायला? चल तू जीन्स घेऊन स्नूकर खेळू.
तुला स्नूकर खेळायचंय पर
Yeah, I want to, and then we'll order some coffee also. What do you say? It's a plan, you know. Snooker and coffee.
पर स्नूकर
CNC.
नहीं है बहुतेक इकडं.
Let's go and check it out. If it's not there, then we are not going, and then we are not ordering. If it's full, then we are not ordering because I know it's Sunday and it's gonna be like.
हा तर राहू दे सोड. संडे तसं.
Arey Arjun, yaar, why are you doing this? He's such a buzzkiller. He's like, no, but my jeans are important. I'm coming for you. Also, we went to shopping the other day. We did like that jeans. Arjun did not buy it because he was like, no, I'm gonna order it from. Yeah. He's like, no, I'm gonna order it from Zara. He ordered it from Zara and it was a buzzkill. No, I want to come inside, no? Why are you being a buzzkill? He's a buzzkill, you guys.
Yeah.
Wow, not bad. Gee, that was so bad. I won this round because he was dumb enough to play the black ball. We played 3 matches, Arjun lost 2 of them and won. I am so happy today. It's a very good day today. His luck is fucked up. He can't find the jeans that he was looking for. Now we are making them check in the warehouse as well as different stores. Now we are going to a different location of Marks and Spencer's just to get the jeans. I am hoping that we find the jeans. They've told us no, but they've told that they've kept it aside. So by the time we reach there, I am hoping that it's open actually, because it's already 9 and by 9 every store just closes. So hopefully it's open, or else it's his bad luck. I'm in kind of like foul mood because my piercing is sort of paining. Now Arjun wants to give his input. Do you want to say something, sir? Yeah, I kind of shouted at him, so he's not in the mood. No need to ask. She's a smooth operator. She's a smooth operator. She's a smooth operator. You should not buy anything from Bandra. Look at this. Look at this. It's not the same jeans. It's definitely not the same ones. I don't think so. I don't think so. That was too light. Those were too lighter. This one was the one that I rejected. They're not, nahi, and they're not even cute. Oh my god, the pain is like kicking in right now. But I'm so excited. I'm thinking about getting here and also right over here. You know? Wait, right over here. Because I have like too much space in between these two. I was thinking I'll get here also. A very small, and I'll like put it right over below my bone. So it kind of looks like weird ear, like a PK ear. I don't know. Kind of gives the vibe, you know. Arjun, what do you think if I get a piercing right over here? The jeans is not here. I said it. I think I caused it. Cheers. We actually found his pants online. We were dumb enough to not check the website, and this is our dessert now. Cheers. Cheers, cheers. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.